Yes, people, see it here on the grill with the jerk chickens, the master chef, the man a sweat. Yeah man, jerk chicken, the original jerk. Rub up all our allspice, jerk seasonings, scallion, onion, thyme, everything. Black pepper, salt and everything well balanced. So without a doubt this is gonna be a hit. Yeah, man. Alright, see that. Say it again, Chef. Repeat yourself, innit? Alright man, you hear that? It's all coming together. Things right.